Welcome back to the channel, everybody. My name is Z James. This is the Third New Workshop. This behind me is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible weekend car, fun car, autocross car. In this episode, we're going to do another unboxing. So there's a series I got going on, which is just getting parts for my twin turbo swap and everything I'm buying and purchasing for that. But today, for the unboxing, which really isn't an unboxing, it's more in a package here, is we're going to talk about Zspec's Z32 stainless steel oil pan kit, oil pan fasteners, which really isn't anything special. Once again, I thought I'd just treat myself on this one, just like the last video. Something nice for the car that was nice. Get rid of the rusty old nuts and go with something a little nicer and a little flashier, as one would say, on it. And this kit is pretty nice. It has the right pitch for the thread pitch, the right length, and it comes with the nuts, the washers, and it looks like a split washer to help it so it doesn't rattle off on it. And these are all Allen head size, so you get rid of the normal socket. Yeah, I think they're 10 millimeters, if I remember right, most likely. 10 or 8s. I think they're 10s on the factory. Just so everyone knows, too, this is Zspec-79715 for part. You can get these anywhere. Pretty much. Zspec sells them on their website, Z1 sells them, Concept Z sells them, and so does Specialty Z. And there's probably actually a few more if you actually would hunt around the internet. So this stuff, the people that do this, I don't know if it's a guy or a gal or whoever does it, they do a nice packaging job of doing this, and it's real handy for everyone to just order from them and buy. I think this is like 11 bucks. And if I were to go to, I would say like Ace Hardware and get the right thread pitch and build it myself, get all the little ones I need to have, it would probably cost me right around 11 bucks. And by the time I get into driving there, doing it, it's so much easier to just buy it online sometimes. And this isn't really flashy. This is hidden underneath the car. It's an oil pan set. So let's take a look at this then. All right, let's open this up. Let's show you guys where I'm at here. Make sure we can see. This isn't anything too crazy. Get you guys a little closer here. You know, it's a nice little kit. They sell it to you. They double bag it, which is interesting. But let's open this up all the way and get some of these out here. Boy, they got So it looks like the set comes with a split washer, stainless steel, and the nut that's in it. And if you notice on these, it's hard to tell, but these are, you could actually finger tighten these in until you got the torque spec you're supposed to have on them. And these look pretty nice, to be honest with you. Oh, no, there's the washer. So you got stainless steel washer, split lock, and then the actual bolt itself doing it. And then I do not have it counted up how many you're supposed to be here, but if you guys look, if you have one, you know what they are. These look pretty nice, to be honest with you. I mean, honestly, they're fasteners. They ain't nothing pretty about them to begin with, but that's what you would want to have. So what you would do is you should do this when you would put these on. You'd want to build this where the washer is up against the pan, so it's a nice flat contact surface. The split washer here stops it from backing out. Then that's how much thread you'd have. Now, you gotta realize an oil pan doesn't take a lot of force or any of that. So that's what this kit is. It's nothing major, nothing big. Like I said, I ordered this from Z1 on let's see, your Black Friday sale. They had Zspec was running a big sale. Z1 was doing a sale. So I just threw that all together as one. Like I said, it's an oil pan, guys. Nothing fancy about it, but that's what the labeling does. A pretty good job. Zspec Design. Can't knock the guys at all. Look, great little product on everything. So, once again, this is another short video, trying to get it just be under 5 minutes here for everybody. Whoa, hopefully I won't move everyone around too much. I probably won't, these are going to be one takes. I will not edit hardly anything, if anything at all, other than my, you know, Z32 workshop up top. But if anyone would like, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're real small. I think I'm at like 570 subscribers at the moment, which is fantastic for a guy in the garage just talking about this project and his love and having fun with his 300ZX. So, all right, if you guys have any comments or questions, hit me down below. I'll put the parts numbers and any of the pitch, thread length, and sizes in the description below too. All right, take care, everybody. Bye.